Hi guys, my name is Carly Tistammer. I'm from Albion, Nebraska, which is about 2 hours northeast of Kearney. I live on a farm outside of Albion. I've lived in the same old house for 19 years of my life. We have cows on our farms, 2 dogs, and 2 cats. I have 2 sisters. One is Sydney, she's right here. She's in high school still. And then the other one is Kylie. She's my twin sister, and we are both taking this class actually. I love mountains, traveling, and hiking. Colorado is by far my favorite state. I am majoring in marketing and I plan to possibly get into real estate or move to Denver and do sports marketing. Moving to Colorado is my dream, so if I got to do that, I'd be super happy. I love watching Netflix. My favorite shows are Outer Banks and All American. I'll graduate from UNK in 2 years, and I have used Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat over the years, so I'm very familiar with those platforms. Now I'm going to talk about some benefits of marketing with online videos. Engaging the viewers is one major benefit. Watching a video is more appealing than listening to a podcast, for example. Using video is more engaging to the audience. Video allows for the creation of connection with customers. In fact, more people would prefer to watch a video of someone talking instead of just listening to someone talking. Consumers they don't have to read anything when they watch the video, so it's a lot less work for them, which they probably enjoy. Companies are also able to showcase their products through video marketing. Companies are able to demonstrate how to use their products, and this is very helpful because the consumers can see how the product works and possibly be interested in buying the product. Making a good marketing video is difficult. If you follow the AEIO rule, it will help you create an appealing video. This stands for authentic, entertaining, intimate, offbeat, and unusual. And authentic, you just want to use real people in your video. Entertaining, make the video fun, have some good content. Intimate, include personal stories or drama experienced by peers. Offbeat and unusual, videos that are somewhat strange can be very popular sometimes. The final major the benefit of video marketing is that the videos can get shared to others easily. First, the video is posted by the creator during primary sharing. Then fans, friends, or customers will begin to spread the video through their social circles or social media. This is called secondary sharing. In the end, the video has the chance to be spread on the internet by others through tertiary sharing. As you can see, video marketing comes with many benefits.